Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. If you're enjoying the daily crypto content, I would really appreciate it if you guys could press the like button and subscribe to show your support for the channel. Also, comment down below what coin you'd like to talk about next, or possibly what coin you like the most. Now, hopefully today we have a pretty short video, hopefully some quick updates, but we'll see. First article is Ripple moves 70.1 million XRP as Coins' fan states XRP price is up 25% in 2020. Now, I must admit, these two things are not related at all to each other. Ripple moves 70 million XRP has to do with their money that they took out of escrow. As we all know, Ripple takes 1 billion XRP out of escrow every single month, and most of the months they put about 900 million or so back. Now the same went on for this month. They took out 1 billion, put 900 million back, and they were left of course with 100 million, and now they decided to spend it their own way by already sending away 70.1 million XRP. Now here you can see XRPL Monitor has showcased most of the sendings and noticed that I believe 19.3 million XRP has moved to a BitGo wallet, and the rest of the 70 million was sent between addresses belonging to Ripple themselves. So really we don't know what they've done with the money theoretically. We only know that about 19.3 has gone to BitGo, and what they'll do further from that, we don't know. And then the second part of the article here is just referring to the income part about Ripple, so about XRP being sold for Ripple's profit. And of course, Rob Art here saying XRP is up roughly 25% in 2020. Again, as I said before, these two things are not related. I just think he wanted to make it sound like a good title, but I don't really see any relation there. Ripple Chief says XRP sales required to keep the company profitable. If you guys have actually been looking at Ripple or XRP, it's really what it's all about the last couple of days. Here's another one. XRP is the key to Ripple's profitability. Here's why that could be a big issue, and I think I even got a couple more. Another one here. Ripple CEO reveals truth about company sales of the XRP stash. And if you've already watched one of my videos covering the situation, you would know that I don't personally think it's a bad thing at all, right? I actually don't really see it as illogical or strange, because if you're thinking about it, any company, if you take away their biggest way to get profit, they might not be profitable, right? Or however you would see it. It's like Ripple has built their model surrounding this, so I don't see it as anything strange. But if we go through a little bit, they quote Brad Garlinghouse for saying, "We would not be profitable or cash flow positive without selling XRP. I think I've said that. Well, we have now." And then Luke Martin retweeted that and said, "Here's a fun quote from the CEO. Dumping XRP on you is how they stay alive. But per previous reports from Ethereum World News, the sale of the assets help expand XRP's utility." With Brad Garlinghouse writing on Twitter, "Sales are about helping expand its utility, building RippleNet and supporting other businesses working and building with XRP, i.e. Dharma and Forte. Reality is we decreased our sales by volume quarter over quarter, and since then, the inflation rate of the cryptocurrency's circulating supply has been lower than that of BTC and Ethereum." So I personally don't like that they added this second part in the quote here, as it does not have that much to do with them still selling XRP. I think they're just kind of making it sound, a little bit better than it actually is. But he does have a point. A majority of the XRP is being sold, at least according to their words, for the XRP ecosystem, or in other words, for XRP. So I don't know if we should be frightened, if we should worry about anything. I've explained to you guys in my previous videos why I'm personally not worried about anything and why I don't think it's a bad thing. But I guess the opinions are still really divided, as even today, there's tons of articles reiterating his own words. He also said, in a recent filing, MoneyGram confirms that those market development fees are paid in XRP. This is actually talking about MoneyGram being incentivized to help out XRP, which again, I also don't think is a bad thing. The company is compensated by Ripple and XRP for developing and bringing liquidity to foreign exchange markets, facilitated by the ODL platform and providing a reliable level of foreign exchange trading activity. We refer to this compensation as market development fees. Again, I don't mind those at all. Ripple XRP bulls hesitated, but further gains above 24 cents seem likely. When was this uploaded? About 13 hours ago. Right now, XRP is down again about 3.5%. So, I guess this article kind of feels obsolete right now. I have that often when I read an article, but the prices have gone exactly the opposite way of what they expected, that I don't value the article as much anymore. Well, however, let's quickly read the takeaway from the article. Ripple is showing a few positive signs above the 23-cent support against the US dollar. XRP price is likely to accelerate higher if it clears the 24.25 resistance area. Ripple price is slowly rising after forming a double bottom pattern near the 22.40 level against the US dollar. The price is now trading above the 23-cent and 23.20 levels. There was a break above a major bearish trend line with resistance near 22.40 on the hourly chart of XRP to USD, and the price is now facing a couple of key hurdles near the 24.25 and 24.80 levels. Again, if you're into trading, if you're into price analysis, this is for you. If you don't care too much and you're in it for the longer term, then you don't really need to know about this, and most of the time it doesn't help you out anyway. That's why I'm not covering it all the way. But you can again pause it if you want to read a specific part. I don't really recommend it though. Right, let's check. We have some other cool stuff. Let's move through. Susie Kusia, just want to give you a shout out. I actually also just hit the follow button. My list of favorite crypto YouTubers, my daily go-to for crypto knowledge, support, and belonging to a crypto family. These guys are always positive and consistent. Who are yours? And that was put in the list. I just really appreciated that. I really, man, that hits. It's really nice to see that type of stuff. I try to do my best to give you guys the best content. So again, if you have something I can improve on, make sure you put it in the comment section. And I'll always check the comments out, and hopefully I can also improve on that. But really, I appreciate that a lot, guys. Really, Susie here. Big shout out to you, Susan. All right, Baba Yaga just posted on Twitter, Phase 1, Day 1. Crypto industry meets at U.S. Treasury. Day 2. Fed cuts 50 base points. TikTok. Yeah. Or 50 BPS. Wow. All right. If you guys checked out CZ just now as well, if you guys check CZ out as well, let me actually put it in here, CZ. He also posted a picture about the situation right here. Pamp it. And it's actually a retweet from Bloomberg Markets, which said Fed cuts rates 50 BPS. And damn, I was actually just over at dinner, right? And somebody told me, "Whoa, the Fed's cut 50 BPS because of some how do you call that? Emergency measure. I think measure is what I call it in English. I don't really know, but yeah, we were all like, "What? No, really?" But yeah, it's being crazy, guys. It's it's going quite heavy. But yeah. Some are saying, though, that BTC seems to be following equities, disappointing. Some are saying that the correlation between real equities and BTC is actually a little bit stronger than some have suggested. But I guess a lot of these crypto upperheads are trying to say it's not the case. I find it all quite interesting. Elon Musk again confirms Dogecoin as the best coin in second public endorsement. I think it's just, again, Elon Musk being a little bit of a troll. I like it though. I think it's fun. He just says here they have the best coin. Dogecoin might be my favorite cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool, and yeah, it's pretty fun. It's pretty cool, and the technology behind Dogecoin is actually quite interesting if you think about it. The founder is a little bit of a different scenario, but the coin itself I think is actually a pretty pretty fun thing. And it's cool that even Tesla's founder, SpaceX CEO, is talking about it in this sense. That's does say something. I think it's also a little bit of a thing you don't see that much in the traditional world. You don't see many of these CEOs, these big guys, talking about lame jokes like this, or even if it wasn't a joke, talking about crypto like this. Musk had initially tweeted a picture of a dog with the caption, "Dogs rock." A few minutes later, he replied the first tweet saying they have the best coin. Let's actually take the tweet out It was 8 hours ago. Hehe. I have no concept of numbers, but still he's happy with the cake. It's a nice little meme. Nice little juicy one right there. And I guess he also replied a little bit further on. Probably won't be able to find that. Let's quickly check his Twitter. Mad respect for the makers of things. That might also be a shout out to that Dogecoin thing, or maybe to everybody out there. He gets a freak ton of likes though. But let's see here. Yes, here he goes. They have the best coin as well. Talking about Doges, of course, about dogs. I like that. Pretty funny to me. You know, it's just some cool stuff out there. I like that. I like that. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, it was a quick little update. Make sure you press the like button down below, and also make sure you subscribe to show your support for the channel. Again, I really do appreciate it. Actually, I have one more article here. Ripple Labs are XRP sales keeping Ripple afloat. Again, I don't think they are at all. I don't completely agree with that at all, at the slightest. But yes, this was my video. I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. If Ripple takes away one of their 3 pieces, of course, a big chunk of their income falls away. It's completely logical to me, but